space of your living and dining area. You can see how two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your master bedroom is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Prestige Garden Trails by Prestige Group located in Dahisar, Mira Road. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project, right at the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do any query, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 5.2 acres. As you can see in the model, it will have 5 towers of 1 basement, ground plus 2 levels of podium plus 37 residential floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 50 plus luxurious amenities. You can have a look at the model. You will be getting an infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court, banquet hall, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. Now before getting into the location and connectivity, you can see that we are standing at the actual location. Right over here is the actual land parcel which is right now the sales office, and you can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located off Western Express Highway near Singapore International School, Dahisar, Mira Road. From where Western Express Highway is at a distance of 1 minute, you have Pandurangwadi Metro Station at a distance of 2 minutes, D-Mart is at a distance of 6 minutes walk and Dahisar Railway Station is at a distance of 10 minutes drive. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. And now, we are standing at the 3 BHK of the residential project Prestige Garden Trails. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 956 square feet. As we enter, you have a very spacious foyer area where 2 people can enter at the same time very easily. And to the right, we have your kitchen space, where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. You can also see how spacious your kitchen is, and you have a dryer space attached to your kitchen area where you can place your washing machine. And again, you have space provided to place your refrigerator in the kitchen. Now let's move forward to the whole apartment. As we move forward, you can see this over here is the space of your living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living dining is. You can easily place your sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in your living area. And you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can place your tea tables, tea chairs and enjoy tea time with your friends and family, enjoying a very beautiful view. And this over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. This apartment is on a butterfly layout, so you have bedrooms on both the sides. First, let's move on this side. Over here, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And you can see you have extra space provided in this corner that you can customize and utilize. And over here, we have your common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You still have walkable space even after placing your furniture. You can see wardrobe space provided is also very spacious, and you can build lofts if you want. And in your common bedroom, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony view. Now let's move to the other side of the apartment. Right over here, we have the entrance to your second bedroom. As we enter, you can see how spacious your bedroom is. You can place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize a study corner. You can see how spacious your bedroom is. You have walkable space even after placing all your furniture. Your wardrobe space provided is also very spacious. You can also build lofts if you want. And in this bedroom as well, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for your safety and a beautiful standing balcony view. And over here in this corner, we have the private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now, before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom. Right over here we have the entrance of your master bedroom. You can see how spacious your master bedroom is. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. You can customize your TV unit in this corner. You can also customize a makeup or a study corner. Wardrobe space is very spacious. You can also build lofts. And in the master bedroom as well, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for beautiful standing balcony view. And in this corner is the private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Prestige Garden Trails. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought property in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Prestige Garden Trails by Prestige Group located in the Hisar Mira Road.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.